The Mark as Final feature allows you to disable all the editing tools up here in the ribbon without a password. In other words, somebody can come in here and turn off the feature and be able to use the editing tools. But the purpose of the Mark as Final feature allows you to let other people know that, hey, this is the final draft without them arbitrarily or by mistake making changes to it by using the editing tools up at the top. At least they have to go out of their way to turn off that feature to make changes to it. So it's more of a flag. So to turn this feature on, come up here, click on File, go down to Info, click on Protect Workbook, and there it is. Lets the readers know that the workbook is final and make it read-only. Click on it. It says OK. Click OK and we'll go ahead and turn it on. Then it says the document now has been marked as final. Gives us a flag here. So it's to discourage the editing. In other words, you have to go out of your way to come back in here and to turn it off. But let's see what it looks like. Let's go back and click on the File tab. It takes us back front stage. Gives us the message bar, it says, or the info bar. The author has marked this workbook as final to discourage editing. Do you want to go out of your way to edit it anyways? I mean, there's a purpose or reason for it. In any case, if this is the final draft and we're like, that's not final, sure, I'll go ahead and edit it. Then they have access to the ribbon and all the editing options up there.
Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.